Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Today I have quick and simple DIYs that can be used around your coffee area or a tier tray. So if you like to see what I create, keep on watching and let's art today. Jumping right into our first DIY, I have these cute skull buckets that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I believe 4 come in a pack, and I am just removing the handles from 2 of the buckets. I will be painting 2 of the skulls in orange acrylic paint and yellow acrylic paint, but leaving one of them completely white. And now that they are dried, I'm going to be stacking them on top of each other to represent almost like a candy corn. So the orange is going to be at the bottom, the yellow is in the middle, and the white skull is going to be on top. I am attaching all of them using my hot glue gun, and these are so adorable. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, these DIYs are going to be quick and easy to do. So all I am doing now is adding a Dollar Tree floral to the top of the bucket of my candy corn skull stack, and that is it. This would look perfect in a tier tray or on the shelf or anywhere that you have a candy corn display. Moving on to our second DIY, I am going to be making a candy jar. I did purchase all 3 pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just showing you here that I'm only using the bottom of this piece for this project. Now these 3 pieces I'm going to be painting black. I do use acrylic paint, but I really suggest you use a spray paint to have a longer lasting paint job. Now to attach everything together, I am using my hot glue gun, but I suggest you use a stronger glue like E6000 or a super glue of some sorts, but I'm using my hot glue because I do want to reuse these pieces later on, and they did hold up nicely. And lastly, for this project, all we have to do is add some candy. Now I do have these pumpkins and I do have candy corn as well. I know there's some debate on social media for people who like them and dislike them, but my family loves these candies and so do I. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these candies or not. Moving on to our third DIY, I have this 18-piece skull set that I got from Party City, but I know that Dollar Tree sells skulls also, and I'm going to be using 6 of these mini skulls. So I want to attach these skulls by stacking them up almost like a pyramid. So for my first row, I only have 3, and I attach each one using my hot glue gun. I continue this process with using 2 skulls for the next row and then the 1 skull for the top. And then I attach everything together once again using my hot glue gun and stack them up. And that is all I did for this project. Super simple, would be so adorable for a tier tray or your coffee bar. So for our very last project, but not our least, we are going to be making a mini witch's cauldron. I have a bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree. The cauldron itself, this baseball, and also those bones are from Party City, and I believe they were only $1.50. Dollar Tree does carry mini bones too, I seen this year, but I already had these on hand. And now I'm just going to attach everything together using my hot glue gun. So I wanted to put this baseball in the middle of my cauldron to give it some height so I didn't have to fill it or add too much stuff in the middle of the cauldron. As you see here, I am pulling this spider web to act as my little brew, if you will, and I am pulling it so that it looks fluffy and almost like smoke, and then I will be attaching that to the ball. I do add a little bit of hot glue here and there, but most of it just stood in its place. Now that I have my spider web where I want it, I'm going to start adding the ornaments to the rim of the cauldron, and I try to go in a pattern of black and purple, but I didn't have enough purple, but that didn't matter. It still looked adorable. Now that all the ornaments are glued to the rim of the cauldron, I'm going to add some more decoration using these foam balls that I've been using with all of my DIYs to act as bubbles. I'm going to attach the bones and also some googly eyes that I've had on hand for many years. I place each thing randomly. There's no rhyme or reason. I just fill it up until the whole thing is completely covered. If you can, please take this moment to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can notify you every time I upload new content. I would love for you to be part of my virtual family, and it will really help my channel to grow. And here's how this one turned out. I absolutely love it. It's so adorable. So like I said at the beginning of this video, these DIY projects are perfect for a tier tray or a coffee bar area. And that is what I'm going to be using my DIYs is for my coffee bar area. And I thought I would show you how I decorated it. Now we don't have a huge coffee bar area, but we have this little one, and I just love decorating it for every season. And I just added a few mugs, the decorations that I made today, and that is that. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And if you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you every time I upload new content. And I would love for you to be part of my virtual art family. Also, don't forget to let me know down in the comments section which one of these DIYs was your favorite, and also to let me know if you guys like candy corn candy, because I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.